Yeah, I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
Hello Beauty Addicts family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Val Janice Renee, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, beauty, and building wealth. If you have not already done so, hit that like button, subscribe, and notifications bell so you won't miss when I post another video. Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? So today I am going to be applying these lashes. These are the triple black knot free in long, and y'all, I gotta do my nails, but in long, and I am using the jet black I Envy long lasting individual lash glue to apply them. I also have my tweezers here, so I am going to be using these tweezers to apply my lashes, and we're going to go ahead and get started today. So what I do, I take a little small dab right here. This is what I use, and then I remove the lashes off with my tweezers. I just do it this way, so like kind of facing me, and I pull away, and this will be the first lash that I'm going to apply. These literally don't take me long at all to apply, y'all, so make sure whenever you dip and dab, you dip forward. So I'm gonna see if I can show you guys in this on the camera. You are going to scoop like that, wipe it off, and then you just apply the lash. Right next to the one you just Okay ladies, so in this part of the video I am going to be applying these without speeding up the video. I wanted to show you guys how I apply this one eye very strategically. So I am not speeding up this part of the video, so most of this video is going to be me applying the lashes in the regular time that with me actually doing the application. The second part of the video, you guys, I am going to speed up my other eye because I'm showing you guys on my right eye exactly how I am doing the application process. Remember you guys, it's very important to make sure you wipe off the excess on the back of it because you want to have control of the lashes when you're doing the application process. And as you're going to see throughout the video, I am going to not do that and you'll see the reason why I am saying wipe off the excess, because it's going to, see right here, it's going to come off if you don't. So you're going to have to go back and reapply the lash just like I'm doing right now, because I did not wipe the excess off on the back of that lash really good. So you definitely will need to do that. So just don't remember, I am throwing some nuggets in here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but go ahead and watch it to the end if you want to see how I completely apply my individual lashes. Okay, you guys, so right now we're getting to the corners of the eye, and whenever you're applying the lashes right here, you want to kind of create a fan type look. So you definitely want to pay attention to the way your natural lashes are growing, so you can see how the application process should be and should look. So we're going to go ahead and start on that left eye. And now I'm going to start on this eye. So I'm pretty much finished with this eye. If I see like I need any more lashes, I'll just apply more lashes. But that's how this eye look, and then this is how this eye looks. So we're almost done. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more glue because this glue is not as tacky anymore. It kind of dried up, and this glue does dry really, really fast. So you gotta kind of work fast whenever you dealing with the eye envy glue. But I absolutely like it. Like normally if I wear any other type of glue, I like get real teary-eyed, and I'm not able to like apply the lashes like I need to apply them or anything like that. So that's one reason why I absolutely love this in particular glue. But y'all, I'm going to go ahead and do my left eye. You guys can watch me do this, and literally that didn't take long at all. It was a really, really quick process. So same thing on this side. This side kind of never can really see for some reason. Okay, you guys, so in this portion of the video, I am going to speed up the process. So you're going to see me apply these lashes the same way I applied my right eye, but just in a, speeding up the process on the video in faster motion. If you want to see more detail, definitely watch the beginning of the video. This portion of the video is going to be sped up. All right, y'all, this is the final product. And I'm all done. This is how they look underneath. And I don't think I need to fill them in. If I do, I'll just come back in and kind of fill in, but they look fine just like this. So